All right, everybody, what is up? Today is a very awesome day. Despite the fact that it is hump day, we have some awesome stuff in the house today. Let's bring in our imported friend from China, the elusive, the cruel, the skin killer, the opener. And as you can see, we've got some stuff to open today. Well, maybe you can't see, but I can. What do we have? Oh, Flywoo Freestyle Racing Driznone. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, so I'm really excited to bust out this bad boy. This actually came pretty quick. I ordered this about, I don't know, maybe a week ago. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's dig in. Let's see what we got today. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Let's do some, whoop, whoop. Damn, I'm telling you, this is the finest high-grade butter knife material for opening up boxes. All right, let's see what we got here. That's that new plastic smell. Oh, what's it say? Woo, it says, let's fly. Oh, we gon' fly. Oh, we gon' fly. You working today. You on the motherfucking mic with Albert Feinstein and the new Flywoo. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, what do we got here? Packages of nothing. And we got some little props here. Which ones are these? These are the 40 millimeter. Whoop, whoop. These are nice. Okay. What do we got? More props. And then what else do we got in here? More props. What else we got in here? Props. You got to give props to props. All right. Well, it looks like a battery strap right there. What do we have here? 4S, 450, 75C batteries. One, yomp, two, yomp, three. Oh yeah, and four. Damn, it's like we're not stopping. All the power. Oh, damn. All that power. 5. 6. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, what do we have in here? Oh, dude, more props. All right, and what is this? Battery strap. All right. Oh, look at that. Battery straps. That's a whole bunch of battery straps. Another battery strap. Zip ties, yeah, and some hardware. Hardware's always good. Don't eat this. Let's see, what is all that? Yep, that's the Goku stack right there. Bad to the bone. And some pro tips. Download a manual. Blah, blah, blah. All right, now, what do we have here? Boop. Pop that bad boy out. Let's just put it in my hand. Oh, Nelly. Look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh, man. This is nice. I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and use the cruel, evil butter to get it open. All right, let's see what we got here. I wonder why they shrink wrap this, because I've never seen a drone shrink wrapped before, as if something's gonna fall off of it. But let me keep that in the frame here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, man. This is looking pretty nice. I am beyond excited to fire this guy up. Beyond excited. What do we have here? BQ Nano. This is for the GPS. Is there another piece? I think there might be. No, I don't see any other pieces. That's empty. Well, I'm a little kind of worried because I think there was supposed to be 2 more pieces to this, and I do not see them in the package, but that's okay. Nonetheless, we have this bad boy, and oh man, look at that. I'm excited. I think it has the crossfire receiver already built in. Mini Mortal T. This little duder. Yeah, little nub. Oh, I'm gonna have to get this thing in the air. I'll see you guys in just a bit. Oh, so I'm a Dumbo. Hidden in this little compartment right here that is the Flywoo GPS. And then there's the Inav chip in here. Really excited to play with these 2 things. This new Inav protocol is, I guess, supposed to be some kind of cool hold elevation, auto rescue, stuff like that. So cool, we'll check it out. All right, so let's just get a quick tour here of what we got in the box. So we've got 7 bags of props. Yes, that's 7. Why not 8? I don't know, but my OCD's flaring up because there should be one sitting like right here, just gonna like balance all that out. But we did get 6 batteries. I like that. We've got some straps. What did I get? 6 straps. Yep, like that. I also got some documentation here. We got some extra hardware. We got some zip ties. We got the Flywoo GPS and Inav modules right there, which are pretty cool. And of course, we got this bad boy. I mean, this thing looks so fun. I can't wait to put this in the sky. I can't wait to send this. This is awesome. So let's take a little bit closer look here one more time. I'm gonna do a full review on this guy and see what we like about it, what we don't like about it. I love that it's got that little baby Cadix in there. Really cool. I'll tell you what all the components are on here during the review. Right now, this is just a quick unboxing. These really nice robo motors, 1202s. Yep, pretty cool. Right on. That's that.